Hey there, folks. If you've ever wondered how to receive money on Zelle, you're in the right place. Zelle is that super convenient app that lets you get paid quickly and securely, right from your phone. Whether it's a friend sending you cash for dinner or a family member wiring you some funds, I'll walk you through the whole process step by step. Let's dive in. First things first, make sure you have the Zelle app downloaded on your smartphone. It's available for both iOS and Android, and if your bank is partnered with Zelle, you might already have access through your banking app. Once you open it, you'll need to sign up or log in. Don't worry, it's straightforward. Just enter your email, phone number, and create a secure password. Next, link your bank account. This is crucial because Zelle uses your bank's details to handle transactions. Go to the Settings or Profile section in the app, select Add a bank account, and follow the prompts. It might ask for verification, like a small test deposit, but that's just to keep things safe. Once that's done, you're all set to receive money. Now, when someone sends you money via Zelle, you'll get a notification on your phone. Think of it as a friendly alert saying, "Hey, you've got money waiting." Open the app, and you'll see the payment in your activity feed. Most of the time, it goes straight into your linked bank account, but double-check by reviewing the details. If it's not automatic, you might need to accept it, which is as easy as tapping a button. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Always use a secure network when accessing the app, and never share your login info. If you run into issues, like a payment not showing up, contact your bank's support. They're usually helpful. And remember, Zelle transactions are typically instant, so the money could be in your account in minutes. There you have it. Receiving money on Zelle is a breeze once you get the hang of it. Give it a try next time someone owes you money, and enjoy that seamless experience. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.